SMK Helmets.
Finding the size that fits you perfectly is very crucial for your safety. Let's find out how to get the right size for your head. In order to do this, all we need is a soft measurement tape. Place the measurement tape around the crown of your head, just above the ears and eyebrows like this, and take the measurement. Once you get the measurement, then find a helmet size according to the size defined by a typical helmet sizing chart. Now in this case we have got a measurement of 58 centimeters, which falls under the size range of medium size. However, you can try both medium and large size in order to make sure what fits you perfectly. Make sure that the helmet you pick should not be loose from these areas. Once the helmet is on your head, you should be able to feel the helmet touching all parts of your head without feeling any extra pressure anywhere on the head. With the strap secured, try rotating the helmet from side to side, and also moving the head in an up-down direction. Your cheeks should follow the movement of the helmet if you have picked the right size. You should not feel that the helmet is slipping over your cheeks or head when shaking your head from left to right or in an up-down motion. We would like to mention here that head varies in size and shape, so even after checking the head size, it's important to wear the helmet to check if the helmet is comfortable to wear for your specific head shape. So a simple 10 seconds check before buying the helmet will ensure your safety. Always try the helmet before you buy it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Wear a helmet, ride safe, and stay happy.
SMK Helmets.